Are you looking for a natural way to support your skin and gut health? I am sure you are in the right video. I want to share something that could be a real game changer for both your gut and your skin health. If you are looking for a natural way to support a glowing complexion while also improving your digestion, you're going to love this because they actually are connected. And today, I'll tell you everything, which helps to improve your skin and gut health. Let's start. Hi, my name is Adam, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Prime Biome before actually buying the product. I have some important alerts to share, so stay until the end of the video. And I'll tell you the first thing you need to know about Prime Biome is be careful with the website you're going to buy, because Prime Biome is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Did you know that your skin and your gut have a much stronger connection than you might think? What if I told you there's a simple way to improve both from the inside out, without needing expensive or complicated treatments? This is the power of Prime Biome. Prime Biome is not just another supplement. It combines powerful ingredients that support cellular renewal of both the skin and the gut. Imagine being able to improve your skin health while also optimizing the function of your gut microbiome. And the best part, it's been developed to support cellular regeneration, which means healthier, younger skin with that natural glow everyone is looking for. And of course, all of this is completely safe with no side effects. Prime Biome works on two fronts: skin health and gut health. The secret lies in its exclusive formula that nourishes the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which directly impacts the appearance of your skin. You've probably heard of the connection between a healthy gut and beautiful skin, right? The natural ingredients in Prime Biome help balance your gut microbiome, promoting efficient digestion and even improving the absorption of essential nutrients for your skin. All of this contributes to that desired glow, but from inside out. Oh, and the best part, this supplement has already been tested by many people, and the results are impressive with visible effects in short time. And if you're wondering, but does this really work? The answer is yes. It's not just me saying this. Many women have already tried Prime Biome and experienced incredible results. From firmer, more youthful skin to significant improvements in gut health, there's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Prime Biome if you don't like it for any reason. They will give your money back. It's totally risk-free. Now, here's a crucial warning. If you're looking to try Prime Biome, I strongly recommend purchasing only from the official manufacturer's website. This ensures you get the genuine product and avoids potential scams to help you. I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. All right, folks, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness content. And comment below with your experiences or questions about Prime Biome. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.